Next, we discuss mean. Mean. What is mean? Mean means expectation of x. Let x be a random variable, discrete or continuous. Then the mean of x is denoted by expectation of x. So mean of x is denoted by expectation of x, or simply mx or m. So mean of x is denoted, mean of x means expectation of x. It is also denoted by mx or m, is defined by m equal to expectation of x. For discrete case, expectation of x equal to summation over I xi probability of x equal to xi, or probability of x equal to xi is the probability mass functions. Okay, this is the for discrete case, the formula of expectation of x. And the formula of expectation of x for continuous case, minus integration of minus infinity to infinity x f of x integration minus infinity to infinity x f of x, where x is the continuous random variable and f of x is the PDF or probability density function of x, provided the sum and this integral converges absolutely. If the sum or the integral not converges, we cannot get the finite value. So provided the sum and the integral converges absolutely. Okay. Next we discuss moments. Let x be the random variable such that whose mean m equal to expectation of x. Let x be the random variable whose mean equal to m, this equal to expectation of x. The kth moment, first the kth moment or the moment of order k, or the moment of order k, the kth moment or the moment of order k of x about a fixed point a is defined by expectation of x minus a whole to the power k, where k equal to 0, 1, 2 dot dot dot, provided the expectation exists. So what is kth moment about a or about a fixed point a? The kth moment about a fixed point or the moment of order k about a fixed point is expectation of x minus a whole to the power k. So x to the power so expectation of x minus a whole to the power k is the kth moment about a fixed point a, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. If k equal to 0, then the moment of order 0. If k equal to 1, the moment of order 1 about a fixed point a. If k equal to 1. So if k equal to 3, k equal to 3, the moment of order 3 of x about a fixed point a. This is called kth moment or the moment of order k about a fixed point a. Okay. This is the moment of order k about a fixed point a. This is the formula, provided the expectation exists. If expression does not exist, so we cannot find kth order moment. Okay. Also remember that the kth absolute moment. Also remember that the kth absolute moment of x about a is defined by the kth absolute moment is expectation of mod of, so this is capital X, this is random variable. So expectation of mod of x minus a whole to the power k, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot, provided the expectation exists. So the kth absolute moment of x about any fixed point is expectation of mod of x minus a whole to the power k. This is called kth absolute moment, and this is called simply kth moment or the moment of order k about a fixed point a. So expectation of x minus a whole to the power k is the kth moment about a fixed point a. The expectation of mod of x minus whole to the power k is called kth absolute moment about a fixed point a. Okay. Second, if a 0, if a equal to 0, then we say kth moment of x about origin. If a equal to 0, then we say kth moment or the moment of order k about origin. About 0 means about origin. If a equal to 0, if a equal to 0, then we call, then we get kth moment of x about origin. Okay, so the kth if we put a equal to 0, then we get kth moment of x about origin about 0. So if we put a equal to 0, then the kth moment about 0 is expectation of x minus 0 whole to the power k, that is expectation of x to the power k, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. If we put a equal to 0, then we get kth moment of x about origin. So if we put a equal to 0, we get expectation of x minus 0 whole to the power k. This is expectation of x to the power k, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. It is denoted by alpha k. Okay, or alpha xk or alpha kx. So it is denoted by alpha kx or alpha xk or alpha k. So alpha k is the kth moment about origin. Kth moment about origin is alpha k, which is defined by alpha k equal to expectation of x to the power k, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. So hence we get alpha k equal to expectation of x to the power k, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. If we put k equal to 0, if we put if k equal to 0, then alpha k becomes alpha 0. Alpha 0 means expectation of x to the power 0. So expectation of x to the power 0 is integration minus infinity to infinity for let x be the continuous random variable. Let x be the continuous random variable. Then expectation of x to the power 0 is x to the power 0 fx dx. X to the power 0 is means 1. So integration of minus infinity to infinity fx dx. Since if fx be the, we know that we already discussed, if fx be the pdf, then minus infinity to infinity fx dx equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, x be the discrete random variable, then we also get alpha 0 equal to 1. Okay. If k equal to 0, then alpha 0 equal to 1. If k equal to 1, so hence if k equal to 0, then we get alpha 0 equal to 1. If k equal to 1, then we get alpha 1 equal to expectation of x to the power 1. Expectation of x to the power 1 means expectation of x. We denote, we already discussed, expectation of x means mean. Mean means m. So if k equal to 1, we get alpha 1. Alpha 1 means expectation of x to the power 1. X to the power 1 means expectation of x. Expectation of x means mean. Hence, if k equal to 1, so we get alpha 1 equal to m, means expectation of x. This is two formulas. Alpha 1 equal to expectation of x. This is true formula. Okay. So kth moment about any fixed point is expectation of x minus whole to the power k. So kth moment about origin is expectation alpha k equal to expectation of x minus 0 whole to the power k, means expectation of x to the power k. Okay. Third point is we discuss kth central moment. Central kth central moment. We already discussed kth moment about kth moment about a fixed point A, kth moment about origin. This is kth moment about origin. Next we discuss kth moment, kth central moment. Kth central moment is kth moment about mean. If A equal to m, m means mean, expectation of x. So kth moment, kth central moment is kth moment about mean. So if A equal to m, then it becomes kth moment about mean. It also called kth central moment. So the moment about means m is called kth central moment. If we denote the mean equal to m, denote mean m by m. If we denote mean equal to m, then kth central moment is expectation of x minus m whole to the power k. So kth moment about mean is called kth central moment or kth moment about mean, or k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot, which is denoted by mu k or mu kx or mu xk. So the moment about means kth central moment, The kth moment about mean is kth central moment. It is generated by mu k and is defined by expectation of x minus m whole to the power k, where k equal to 0, 1 to 3 and m equal to expectation of x, where m equal to expectation of x. Okay, very important. Kth central moment. What is kth central moment? The kth moment about mean is called kth central moment. If we put a by m, where m equal to expectation of x, then we get kth central moment. So kth central moment, the formula of kth central moment is expectation of x minus m whole to the power k, where k equal to 0, 1 to 3 dot dot dot. It is generated by mu k. Okay, where m equal to expectation of x. Very important result.